In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make great Instagram Reels with Canva. Let's start by opening Canva on your computer or phone and logging into your account. Once you're on the home screen, go to the search bar at the top and type in Instagram Reel. Canva has ready-made templates sized perfectly for Reels, so choosing this option makes sure everything fits correctly on Instagram. Click on the Instagram Reel design option to open a new canvas. When the editor loads, you'll see a blank vertical canvas. Or you can choose from Canva's pre-built Reel templates on the left-hand side. If you're just starting out, I recommend picking a template that matches the mood you want, like minimal, bold, or playful. This gives you a solid foundation so you don't have to design everything from scratch. Click on a template you like, and it will automatically apply to your canvas. Now it's time to customize the content. Click on any text box to change the wording to match your message, whether it's a quick tip, a product highlight, or a personal update. Use short, punchy lines that are easy to read quickly, since Reels move fast. You can adjust the font, size, and color using the toolbar at the top. Try to stick to 2 or 3 main colors and 1 or 2 fonts so your Reel looks clean and professional. Next, update the visuals. On the left, you can upload your own photos or videos, or choose from Canva's library of stock images and clips. Drag and drop your media onto the canvas, and it will snap into place. If you're using multiple clips, remember that Reels are short, so keep each scene brief and focused. You can trim video clips by selecting them and adjusting the handles on the timeline at the bottom. To make your Reel more dynamic, add simple animations and transitions. Select an element, then choose an animation style like fade or pop. Keep it subtle so it enhances your message instead of distracting from it. You can also add background music by going to the audio section and picking a track that fits your vibe. When you're happy with your design, click the download or export button and choose the video format. Finally, upload the finished file to Instagram as a Reel. Add a clear caption and a few relevant hashtags, and you're ready to